Have you ever wondered the best way to clean your pistol that's not a stupid YouTube video, that's just nothing but sponsored products? I'm gonna show you how to do that coming up. Without wasting too much time, I'm just gonna go ahead, break this pistol down. Again, every pistol is a little bit different. Again, you do have to pull the trigger on this XDS. Whew, she's a dirty. Again, simple breakdown procedure. You own a pistol, you should know how to do that. Alright. First thing I'm gonna do, just kind of knock all the dust out. If you have a blowgun or something, that is really good to do. I'm gonna break down the magazine. Right here. Definitely clean those, don't neglect those. Just kind of start with quick dusting. Compressed air helps. First thing I like to do, get everything organized. Get some bore scrubber. Take the cap off. Just kind of, if you're wondering, let that sit and kind of cook and soak in there. Next thing, just kind of soak everything down with some Butchword KC gun scrubber. I'm definitely not sponsored. Nobody's paying me to recommend these products. So, definitely hit all that. I like to kind of clean these channels right here. I'm going to take this down just a little further. This is just a little screwdriver. This is kind of a pain. Oh, yep, you just gotta give that a good push. Take the striker out. Just kind of wipe that off. Little gun scrubber. Okay, now that the bore scrubber has soaked in this barrel for a little bit, just gonna take this happens to be a 9mm caliper, so I'm gonna take a simple jag and just run it through. Kind of do it as you twist it, as you send it through. Have some This barrel is not super dirty. But so just a few kind of runs of that through it. Now I'm going to take this specific jag and I'm going to run this specific patch on top of it. I'm actually doing 2, so it's gonna be very tight. Going through, ha ha ha. I'm just gonna be. Gets all that out. Off the ends. If you have an ultrasonic cleaner, that's very useful too. Guys. Oh, definitely just kind of wipe everything off. Simple lint free, or really just a microfiber towel, doesn't leave lint in there. Oh, and by the way, never put any oil right here. Because it can mess with the striker. Now, I have found a really awesome oil, and it is this ZEP 45 dual force, because it is essentially a Teflon lubricant that's also a penetrating lubricant, kind of like PV Blaster. Which means it's gonna soak into the metal a little bit. So, what I've done is I've squirted a little bit in a bottle like this, a little needlepoint bottle, and I will put links in the description for all this stuff, and I simply just take a little bit and just kind of, you know, put a little bit of a drop of oil in these channels. All these tabs right here. That's really it. When it comes to oil, less is definitely more. In fact, I'm even gonna kind of wipe off the excess a little bit, and it will leave a nice little Teflon coating. Now, for your good old rust preventative, I do Butchword Casey Barcade, as well as all the other Butchword Casey stuff. Now with this stuff, you do not want to just take this and start spraying it all over like an idiot. What that'll do is leave way too much on there, and it'll attract dirt like crazy. So what I recommend doing is getting a simple microfiber towel. Lightly, not real thoroughly on it, and just kind of wipe it on there. And then, this magazine wasn't too dirty. Wipe this all off here. This is kind of my real world quick gun cleaning. Video here. These strikers, I would not put any kind of rust preventative on them. or anything like that. Just give them a good cleaning. You can hit them up with the gun scrubber. And then just take a soft bristle brush, clean the tip, like so. But that does not want any lubrication on it whatsoever. A little more bouquet, just kind of wipe off that. Keep that wiped off. Definitely put a little oil on the top there. Top of this barrel, it will start to wear. But yeah, this ZEP 45 is really awesome because it's a penetrant. So it will kind of soak into the metal a little bit. And it is a nice Teflon based lubricant. Or, let's see, what is it? PTFE. Making sure I didn't miss any spots. I don't think I did. Now, this gun goes back together. I actually probably should put the striker in first. Kind of a pain to put in. And anybody else that's gonna do this is gonna edit the video and make it look real easy. I'm not doing that. Hey, that was way easier than I thought. Here's how you clean a magazine oil. Okay. It works. Okay. Striker's in. Put the barrel in. Spring is kind of funky. It's got kind of a little lip. Slides right over. Oh, got it on backwards. Luckily that's an easy fix. Yeah. that's... Gotta push that down. Hear it click. This is together. This simply slides on there. Rotate the takedown lever. And voila! That is how you clean a Springfield Armory XDS. That's really all there is to it.